All right, hello. I am Owen Powell. I've made the Park-O-Lator. This is uh, really just been motivated by always coming campus after weekend or going off campus for food after classes or something, and coming back and not ever knowing where a parking spot is. This project is available at Powell OT, so my username dash Park-O-Lator as it's spelled on the screen here without the hyphens .web.app. So, as I mentioned, just can't ever find parking, so I wanted to provide at least somewhat of a solution for that. Um, I think everyone here has been motivated or has had issues with parking in the past eras. So having something to combat that, I think everyone can appreciate. That is why I made this. So you're presented with the login screen here. Just got the basic username or like title of the project, a little catchphrase there, and you have several sign-in options. So I'm just going to use Rosefire. Start here. This is the same login. Oh, so after you log in, you are presented with the main screen here. So over on the right, you have the map of campus, and so if you look through, you can kind of scroll around. You can find what parking spot is closest to you currently. Um, so we can just go, I don't know, into the big lot. So after you're in the lot on desktop, you still have the option to click onto the other lots. So we can go over to Meyer from here. Then we can go over to the visitors lot and just kind of click all around, to jump between lots depending on where you are on campus. Over on the left, you'll notice it's got the picture of where you're parking, the name of the parking lot, and then down here is a little status update. So whenever a user selects an option, let's go with empty from this dropdown, they can confirm that choice. And this will update for all users, and it shows the date and time that was submitted. So if you come onto this lot and say, let's go back onto the big lot. Um, So this lot was marked as empty Monday, February 20th at 2:44 a.m. So it's been an hour or two. Who knows if that's really still the status of the parking lot? So this just helps users understand the accuracy of the data presented. And you can select something, and if you click cancel, that will okay. um, supposed to take you just back to the main screen, the main map.html. I will fix that before I submit the code. But so yeah, and then up here on the left, you have the option to log out, and then you can quickly sign back in here. Um, it just gives users the ability to not to always be there, be signed in, or they can log out, change users on the same device. Over on the left on the main screen, there's a list of all supported locations which accomplish the same thing. Yeah, it goes back to the same page we saw earlier by clicking on the markers on the map. Then up here, you have a basic profile, which will populate with your name and profile based on the information that Firebase has in your profile. So I can change my name here, submit it. Goes back to the main map page. If we go back into the profile, we can see that the name is updated. So that's just a basic rundown of the app and its goals. Thank you all for watching. We really hope you enjoy at least the concept of the app. This is something I am genuinely interested in, so hopefully I can continue to work on it and update as we are um, going through the school year and everything. The one technical feature I had was the maps over here. This is an API from Google, so it provides you the basic map functionality of scrolling in and out and the geodata for all of the roads and everything. Each little marker here is from Firebase. You can submit a new location, and that's actually how each of these were made. And then it auto populates those based on the fields given in Firebase. And that is it. That's all I've got. So hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching.